Hi, guys. How I am going to read where the in where a pineapple pork bear. Pineapple pork bear. Wait, when I eat like pork bear now. Wait, a warmer mint in a wheat tie-dye snapper. Snapper, a never pork type snapper. A never rainbow dye pork bear, where I never former. A never rainbow pork bear. A never green snapper. Blue and green patty. Where have I even? I won't play with it now. I will. In my next video, I will. A ale patty. A pink patty. A pink patty. A bit better. A cool pork balls. No, I'm only when I'm a red and an orange snapper, like snapper. A orange and a purple pink ready balls with air, with air and every bear, a in and out bowl, a audible light up bowl with a party inside. Cool paper balls. I got a pink and patty, and I got a pink sand type toy. I got a red and orange Orby balls. I got a two different types of fairy pads, like a normal one and a three-sided one. I got a football fairy pinner and a Harry Potter fairy pinner. I got three simple dim sum. I got a banana sand-filled toy and a happy filled toy. I got different types of money noodles. Right, now money a weird ball type setting. I think bank thing with like fit banner. And then I got a party ball, like netball, a orange netted ball, and a rainbow ball with foaming. I got two mini pop cubes and a snake one and a two-sided fairy cube.